When you unbox a HUUM Hive or a HIVE Mini, you're not just opening a box, you're opening a door to a modern sauna experience. Here's what comes with the HUUM Hive and the HIVE Mini. The heater body, made of durable stainless steel, the mounting bracket for easy installation, a detailed user manual and setup guide to make assembly simple. So why choose the HUUM Hive? Its large stone capacity provides long-lasting soft heat that makes every sauna session unforgettable. The HIVE Mini offers the same premium experience, but in a more compact design perfect for smaller spaces. The sleek, minimalist design of these heaters isn't just beautiful, it's designed to blend seamlessly into any sauna space while delivering unmatched performance. Are you ready to elevate your sauna experience? Explore the HUUM Hive and the HIVE Mini at the Sauna Place.